In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a CIBC void check. Whether you need it for setting up direct deposits or for any other banking purposes, having a void check on hand is often essential. We're going to make this process as simple and straightforward as possible, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open the CIBC mobile banking app on your device and sign in to your account. If you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure to do so from your device's app store and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see an overview of your accounts. Here, you'll need to select the checking account that you want to use for generating your void check. This is important because the void check will be linked to this specific account. After selecting your checking account, look for the Account Info option and tap on it. This section contains all the necessary details about your account, and it's where you'll find the option to download your void check. Scroll down carefully until you spot View Void Check. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the correct one from the drop-down menu to avoid any confusion. Once you've ensured that the right account is selected, tap on Open PDF. The app will generate a PDF file of your void check. This is a convenient format because it's easy to save or send as needed. Now, you'll notice an option to share. By tapping this, you can choose how you want to distribute your document. You might want to email it to yourself, save it to a cloud service, or send it directly to your employer or any organization that requires it for processing direct deposits. And there you have it. You now have a PDF copy of your void check that you can use whenever necessary. Remember, having a void check is a simple way to provide your banking information without sharing sensitive details like your account balance. I hope this quick guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.